Why do we always go to abandoned places?
Rings for me! Whoa! Whoa! Genius! Whoa! I think we know the reason nobody ever comes here. Guys, I'm starting to think we shouldn't be here.
Duh.
Duh!
Duh!
Starting to think this place is not meant for anything living.
Whoa! Awesome! Genius! Made it through. Rings!
Check out the mech, huh? Welcome, Sonic. After I crush you, I will defeat that rat of a snake and become top dog. You like my new outfit? Nailed it!
Interesting.
Why are they fluttering? Oh, I hate buying refurbished missiles.
Wow, impressive. You did read the instructions on that thing, right?
Yes! Only had to... Whoa! Mayday! Mayday! This is not what it looks like, Sonic. This is as designed. Ugh. Seriously, though, I look cool in this, right?
Why are you so aggressive? Are those cannonballs?
They never go out of style. Not the face!
Do you see these muscles?
Stupid thing. Don't worry, all part of the plan. Abort! Abort! You made me spill my drink. This isn't over.
One more ring to rule them all.
How dare you! Oh yes, I see you looking at me. Take it all in. I get it. It's awesome. You didn't see this coming, did you?
Ow!
That just happened. Oh boy. Should have installed airbags.
Let me introduce you to the hammer!
Giddy up! Out of there! Just clear the mech! Ah, got it! Nice scarf, losers!
We got one!
Stop, drop it.
Whoa, cool.
Come on, guys.
What happened?
It must have been designed to only take two. But don't worry, I've got a...
Mm-hmm.
A floating city. This is incredible.
Look at this place. I have to say, pretty amazing.
Careful, falling object.
As long as one of them is not us, I'm okay. We need to unblock this laser. I think it opens the door.
That worked. The door's opening now.
Wait, it worked? I was right?
Yes, you were.
That's awesome! Make a note. Tell Sonic this story when you see him.
This is a very cool place.
Lasers. Why'd it have to be lasers?
We're too close to give up now.
I never give up. Hedgehogs give up. Echidnas don't. Ever. Never, ever, ever.
More showing me, less telling me. Boost pads rock. Bounce pad. I think we need to do this one first.
One down.
All right, 2 more to go. I'll take those. Stomping time! Have one more to go. The door won't open until we get this last one connected.
Boom! It's opening! Oh, we should totally hug.
No.
That's what I meant. We should totally keep going. Sweet boost pad!
Okay, here we go. Let's meet up on the other side. I'm gonna go this way, along the beams. Do not fall on me.
Well, I was gonna ask you to catch me.
Looks like we're close. Can you keep up?
I was gonna say, if you could keep up and...
How about we just keep going before you hurt yourself? We have 2 ways to go. Thoughts?
I see 2 paths, both dangerous. You decide.
Left it is.
Really? That way? Boom! The first one's done.